Hello everyone, welcome back to Merkman Tips. Today I'm in a 2014 C220 CDI and the customer's complaint was that he thinks the exhaust is growling and vibrating, especially on acceleration. Now I just want you guys to try and hear the growling noise. Okay, so I know exactly what the problem is. So let's take a look underneath the car. So underneath the car, towards the rear of the gearbox, there is a gearbox mounting. This mounting supports the gearbox up, and what happens is as they wear out, it lowers the gearbox down, which then puts strain onto the exhaust system. So let me take this gearbox mounting off and compare it with a new one to see how badly it's worn. So looking at the new and the old gearbox mount, the old gearbox mount, you can see the gap from the bush to the top of the mount is quite high due to the wear, whereas the new one, the gap is much smaller, and that's the position it should be. So as this mounting wears out, the gearbox gets lowered, putting strain onto the exhaust system, causing a growl as you accelerate. So I'm about to bolt on the new gearbox mount, but as you can see, the bolt holes aren't lining up with the new mounting because the gearbox is in the same position as the old gearbox mount. So I need to jack up the gearbox to get the holes lined up, and this shows how much the gearbox has actually been lowered. So I've jacked it up and the bolt holes look like they're lined up. Now I can bolt the new gearbox mount on. Okay, so we have the new gearbox mount in, and if you compare it to the old one, the gap is much smaller, so that exhaust and the gearbox is in its normal position now, and this actually makes a very big difference to the smoothness of the engine as you drive. So thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Merkman Tips.